okay? All it takes is one wrong move for somebody to have an accident, and what your repair comes into question. And it may be a good repair, and the repair may not have anything to do with the accident or whether somebody died or not. But the right lawyer gets a hold of it, you done something wrong and you're going to court.
And there's people out there just to find stuff wrong. That's their sole job.
Yeah. So obviously, when you look at all of the shops that we sell paint to in the CSRA and beyond, that's not a lot. Nowhere near what they ought to be using.